Hi students, how are you all? We are all doing our bit of job by staying safe at home. I am Mrs. Anuradha Pattnaik from Holy Hearts Educational Academy here in this virtual class in front of you. Today I am going to teach you the chapter Development from Economics for class 10 students. Students, are you ready now? Okay. First, let me tell you the meaning of development. Development means any kind of positive change or progress. But the meaning of development is different to different people. For example, for a student, the meaning of development may be uninterrupted learning during this lockdown period. But for a landless worker, it may be more days of work. In the same way, for a BPL card holder, the meaning of development may uninterrupted supply of food grains to them during this lockdown period. Thus, we can conclude that the meaning of development is different to different people. Second matter to be discussed is that what is development for one may not mean development for the other. For example, for a girl, development may mean more liberty, more opportunity like her brother. She may expect that her brother should share household works with her. But this may not be development for her brother. This may not be liked by her brother. Another important thing to be discussed is that what is development for one may be destructive for the other. For example, for industrialists, construction of more and more dams may be a developmental goal. But it is not, and instead it is a destructive for the tribal people, because construction of dams displaces them. In the same way, it may be a destructive goal for environmentalists, because a big patch of forest gets cleared for construction of the dams. So, people possess different meanings for development. When the question of national development comes, in the same way, there are many controversial notions about nation's development. For some, national development means more income, more money of the nation. We know that on different criterions, nations are compared, because some nations are called as developed countries and others are called as underdeveloped countries. Then, on what criterion nations are compared? It is the criterion of income. World Bank has taken average income as a criterion for comparing the nations. Students, take a screenshot of it. Average income refers to the national income of all the residents of the nation divided by total population. That means total income divided by total population gives average income. Average income is also called as per capita income. So, the country whose per capita income is more or average income is more considered to be rich countries, and the countries whose per capita income is less than the standard devised criterion are considered to be low income countries. Here, take a screenshot of it. You can understand the countries which are considered to be rich and the countries which are considered to be poor. And India comes under the middle low income country. Then students, a question arises, is income everything? Is income really decides development? No. Besides income, there are many other attributes and virtues needed for development. People look for safety in the society, equal treatment in the society, good health, that is health facilities, education facilities in the society. They think these things are also equally important and sometimes more important even than income. So, here I have taken one table. We have here three states, Maharashtra, Kerala and Bihar. Under three heads, that is IMR, that is infant mortality rate and literacy rate and net attendance ratio. Under these three heads, we will make a comparison among these three states of India. Maharashtra has IMR 25. Kerala has 12 and Bihar had 43. This is a comparison made in the year 2012. Then what is IMR? Infant mortality rate means the number of infants die before completing their first birthday. Here in Maharashtra has more IMR than Kerala. That means in Kerala less children die than Maharashtra and Bihar. That means health condition is quite good. In the same way, if we take literacy level in percent, 94% is the literacy rate in Kerala, which is higher than Maharashtra and Bihar. In the same way, children going to school, secondary level, that is those who are in 14 and 15 years of age group and going to secondary schools, they are about 78% in Kerala, which is again higher than Maharashtra and Bihar. This shows that though Maharashtra is a bit more in the per capita income, average income than Kerala, but Kerala excels under the three heads, that is health, education and attendance ratio, quite good than Maharashtra and Bihar. This shows that beyond income, beyond material gain, there are also other aspects which play a very important role in the life of the human being. Thus, they are the attributes of development. Thus, to conclude, we can say that people look to mix developmental goals. Thus, I come to the end of today's class with you. That is the first part of chapter 1, development. In my next video, I will be concluding the second part of the chapter, development. Until then, stay safe and happy at your home indoors.